Hello folks, fellow YouTubers and friends. It's me again, Boomer from Boomtown Laboratories. I know you folks out there have seen a lot of people drill holes, and I'm going to drill a hole here, but it's not drilling the hole that I want to show you. It's this special, very special Boomtown Laboratories cutting fluid. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this thing and drill this hole and see how well it works. Alright, that's my magnetic drill press, by the way, and that cutting fluid rather, because it's not oil, seemed to do a pretty good job. Let's back off just for a sec, let you see my drill press. It's one of those magnetic drill presses. You flip this on 1 inch thick solid steel. It has a 1,400 pound pull, so you can move it around on construction jobs and all. But what I wanted to show you was Boomtown Power and Light cutting fluid. Cost less than a quarter of a cent a gallon. However, there's some minor prep that you might have to do yourself. It's called H2O, water. And then we put some really hard water in it called ice. We put it in a blender to make it get really cold fast. We put it in here and squirt it and flood the heck out of it. Now the reason I use it is because I don't burn up my bits. And I don't coat my steel, because everybody knows steel is porous and it will suck up the oil. And now you got to clean the daggone stuff in order to paint it. Plus oil is a lubricant, and drill bits cut with friction. So if you lubricate it, then you're actually losing part of your power. And that's another thing too, is the oil actually, when it gets hot, the drill bit and the steel, it burns. There's why you get all the smoke. With water, you never get the smoke. And if you get the water really good and cold, and I mean flood the daylights out of it. In other words, when I'm drilling big holes, I drag out the fish aquarium water pump, and I'll just fill up a tray with ice water and pump it right there and put a filter on it. So it's just a suggestion. I'm not suggesting that anybody do this. I'm just telling you that's what I do, and it works for me. Have a great weekend.